Welcome to MONORICH, a leading provider of innovative interior design solutions. With a commitment to excellence and a passion for delivering results, we have built a reputation as a trusted partner for businesses worldwide. At MONORICH, our vision is to creating timeless beauty, one space at a time. Guided by this vision, our mission is to combining functionality, quality, and innovation. These principles are at the heart of everything we do, driving us to push boundaries and set new standards in our industry. Established in 1999 as QUDOZ Interior Consultants, MONORICH began as a dedicated interior design and renovation firm. Over the years, we have grown into a distinguished name synonymous with refined taste, exceptional service, and unparalleled quality. Under the leadership of our founder and principal designer, Richie Young, and supported by a talented team, we bring passion and expertise to every project, ensuring each space reflects the unique personality and individuality of our clients. At MONORICH, we specialize in providing a wide range of services tailored to meet the unique needs of our clients. Our core offerings include interior design, concept development, space planning, material selection, and color consultations, smart home systems, home security, energy management, automation, and entertainment, architecture, concept design, feasibility studies, construction documents, and administration, branding strategies, trade design, brand messaging, positioning, and style guides, project management, coordination, budget control, quality assurance, and stakeholder communication. With a team of skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, we ensure every project is delivered to the highest standards of quality and efficiency. Our portfolio speaks for itself. Over the years, we have successfully completed numerous projects for a diverse range of clients, including some of the most recognized names in the industry. Here are just a few of the projects we've had the privilege to work on. LRT Station 3 Klang, Quantum Metal Corporate University, Hush Puppies Malaysia and Singapore, Lifetron Switzerland Beauty, Our Air Selangor Malaysia, and countless residential designs. At MONORICH Sendilian Berhad, our success is built on the trust and support of our clients and partners. We are committed to continuing our journey of innovation and excellence, and we look forward to working with you to achieve great things together. Thank you for considering MONORICH as your partner. MONORICH, designing your space, redefining your world.